Think water is just a drink? It's the engine of your life. Inside you, it's always running. But what happens if you stop? The supply hits zero, the fuel gauge blinks red, the survival mission begins. The clock starts ticking. You have 3 days before total shutdown. Let's look inside. 12 hours in, your brain starts to shrink. Pressure builds, causing a crushing dehydration headache. Now, look at your blood. It loses its fluid volume. Your heart struggles to push, pumping sludge. Every beat feels heavy and oxygen delivery fails. Your body is forced to slow down. Thoughts fade and vision blurs. You aren't yourself anymore as time slips. The dryness spreads. Hunger is gone. Now it's pure biological survival. Your throat is like sandpaper. Water is the only answer. Now, look at your kidneys. They are your internal filter, but they are drying out. The filter starts to clog, toxins begin to pile up, and your blood is turning acidic. Because the waste has nowhere to go, your muscles start to cramp and the salt balance is broken. Even your heart feels the strain. Fluid is needed for everything, and without it, the machine breaks. This is a systemic failure. You can feel the heat rising as sweating has completely stopped. Your internal cooling is gone. The danger is now extreme. You are nearing the limit. 2 minutes feel like an hour, and there is no turning back. Now, let's imagine a scenario. What if you were in a desert? The heat starts to climb, and your body tries to sweat, but there's no water left. You hit critical failure. Compare this to your living room. You lose fluid slower here, but the danger remains. Without a refill, you crash. Your weight plays a role, more mass needs more fuel, and activity level is key. Running accelerates the loss, every step burns your reserves. It's a race against the sun. The environment is your enemy. You need shade and hydration, but you only have yourself. Survival depends on planning. Let's talk about common myths. You've heard the 8-glass rule. It's not scientifically precise. Your needs are unique and it changes by the hour. Don't force the intake. Thirst is the best guide because your body knows its state. Another myth, all water is the same. Purity matters for your health, as some sources bring more toxins and your kidneys work harder to clean them. Better to choose the clear path. The color of your output counts. Light means you're doing fine, dark means you need a refill. It's a simple daily check. Your health is in your hands. Listen to the internal signals. Everything is connected.
Now, the systems truly crash. Your blood fails to flow, and the brain is starved of oxygen. Judgment crumbles and you lose track of time. Hallucinations take the wheel as the desert plays tricks. Reality becomes a blur, and aggression peaks. The brain is truly desperate. Motor skills fail, you cannot walk straight, and the internal alarm is deafening. Every cell is shutting down, the energy reserve is gone, no more fuel to burn, total system failure. The silence is absolute, a lesson learned the hard way. But what if help arrives? The miracle of modern aid. Fluids enter the stream, the blood begins to thin, the heart finds its rhythm, and oxygen levels rise. The brain signals to wake, the fog lifts, and consciousness returns slowly. The thirst is still there. It's a long road back. Your cells need to repair, and recovery is not instant. Patience is your new best friend as your body is rebuilding. Hydration is the foundation. Never forget this lesson. Water is your life force. Respect the need within. You are finally safe. Now, organs begin to shut down. Your blood pressure crashes. The brain loses all connection. No more signals can pass. You are trapped in the dry. Every breath is a battle. The body is fighting to exist, but the fuel is exhausted. There is nothing left to give. This is the final barrier. But we can avoid this. Water is your daily armor. Carry it. Drink it. Respect it. Your life depends on it. Don't wait for the thirst. Be proactive. Be ready. Water is the source, and you are the flow. Thanks for joining the journey. Stay hydrated. Stay safe. Found this journey helpful? Smash that like button. Subscribe for more science, and see you next time.